Today in this video, we will learn about how to add Google Analytics into your WordPress website. If you want to add Google Analytics into your WordPress website, then in that case, log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New under Plugins section. Now from here on the top right corner, search for a new plugin that is Google Analytics GADWP. Install this plugin and then activate it. Now go inside the installed plugin and then click over Launch Setup Wizard. Now from here, click over Publisher and then click Save and Continue. Now click over Connect Exact Metrics. Now this will ask you to log in inside your Google account and then confirm it by clicking over Allow. Now from this page, you can confirm all your choices one by one and then click over Allow. Now you can complete your installation setup by clicking over Complete Connection. In this way, your Google Analytics will be added and this will bring you into final step. Now, once you review all the information, click over Save and Continue. Now finally, finish the setup and exit the wizard. Now your WordPress website's overview is completely visible inside that Exact Metrics plugin.